The Sufi Path to Forgiveness and Healing. Releasing the chains of resentment. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. We've all experienced it. The sting of betrayal, the ache of injustice, the deep wound of being wronged. And often, long after the event, we carry its heavy burden: resentment, anger, bitterness, like chains around our hearts. We yearn for freedom, but how do we truly let go? Today, we embark on the Sufi path to forgiveness and healing, releasing the chains of resentment. We'll explore how Sufism offers a profound, transformative way to not just forgive others, but to truly heal ourselves, unlocking inner peace and renewing our connection with the divine. Prepare to shed the weights that hold you back. Part 1. The heavy burden of resentment. Resentment is a silent poison. While it often feels like we're punishing the one who wronged us, in reality, we're inflicting continued pain upon ourselves. Self-imprisonment. Holding on to resentment is like willingly remaining in a prison. The walls built from our own anger, sadness, and desire for retribution. We are the ones consumed by its fire. A spiritual obstacle. For Sufis, resentment is a major veil between the seeker and Allah. It hardens the heart, obscures inner light, and hinders true spiritual progress. A heart full of grudges cannot be truly open to divine love. Physical and mental toll. Science confirms what spiritual traditions have always known. Chronic anger and bitterness can lead to stress, anxiety, sleep disturbances, and even physical ailments. It exhausts our precious energy. Broken connections. Resentment not only damages our relationship with the person who wronged us, but can also sour other relationships and our general outlook on life. Part 2. Understanding forgiveness in Sufism. A divine reflection. Forgiveness in the Sufi understanding is far more than a simple act. It's a profound spiritual state, a reflection of divine attributes. Allah as Al-Ghaffar, the forgiver. Al-Afuw, the pardoner. The very foundation of forgiveness lies in understanding Allah's infinite mercy and His willingness to forgive. If the Creator, who is owed all rights, can forgive, how much more should we, His fallible servants? Not excusing, but releasing. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the wrong action, forgetting the pain, or allowing oneself to be harmed again. It means releasing the emotional and spiritual burden associated with the offense for your own sake. It's about detaching from the grip of the past, a gift to oneself. The Sufi realizes that forgiveness is primarily an act of liberation for the forgiver. It cleanses the heart, making space for peace, love, and light. True justice versus personal vengeance. While Islam upholds justice, it also emphasizes mercy. Forgiveness acknowledges that ultimate justice belongs to Allah, freeing us from the exhausting pursuit of personal vengeance, which often brings no true peace. Part 3. The Sufi Path to Forgiveness and Healing. Practical steps. How does one practically embark on this journey of releasing resentment and embracing forgiveness? It's a conscious, compassionate, and courageous path. Acknowledge the pain. Do not suppress the hurt. Acknowledge your feelings of anger, sadness, or betrayal. Allow yourself to feel them, but without dwelling in them. This is the first step towards processing the wound. Make dua supplication. Turn to Allah with your pain. Ask Him to soften your heart, to grant you the strength to forgive, and to remove the resentment. Dua is a powerful healing balm. Contemplate Al-Ghaffar, Al-Afuw. Meditate on Allah's names of forgiveness and mercy. Remind yourself that you too seek His forgiveness for your own shortcomings. This cultivates humility and compassion. Practice compassion, Rama. Try to see the humanity in the other person, even if their actions were hurtful. Perhaps they acted out of ignorance, their own pain, or limited understanding. This doesn't excuse their act, but helps you release the personal attachment to anger. Focus on your own growth. Tazkiyat al-Nafs. Recognize that holding on to resentment harms your spiritual progress. Your pursuit of closeness to Allah becomes a powerful motivation to let go of what weighs you down. Seek divine wisdom in the experience. Tafakkur. Contemplate what lesson this experience might be teaching you. Is it about setting better boundaries? About reliance on Allah? About the nature of this fleeting world? Take action, if appropriate. Sometimes, forgiveness involves reconciliation or setting clear boundaries for the future. but often it's an internal process that frees you, regardless of the other person's actions or awareness. Part 4. The fruits of forgiveness. Reclaiming your inner light. Embracing the Sufi path of forgiveness brings forth incredible fruits, transforming your inner landscape. Inner peace and light, sakina and nur. The heart, once heavy and dark with resentment, lightens and becomes illuminated. You feel a profound sense of peace and freedom. Spiritual expansion. With the chains released, your spiritual journey accelerates. You gain clarity, deeper connection to Allah, and greater capacity for love. Enhanced compassion. Forgiving others cultivates a greater capacity for compassion towards all beings, including yourself. You become a living reflection of Allah's mercy. Emotional freedom. You are no longer controlled by the past or the actions of others. You reclaim your emotional autonomy and choose peace over prolonged suffering. Baraka, divine blessing. Allah promises immense blessings for those who forgive. Your life becomes more infused with divine grace and ease. Healed relationships. While not guaranteed, the act of forgiveness often opens the door for healing and reconciliation in relationships. If that is also willed by the other party, but even if it doesn't, you are healed. The Sufi path to forgiveness is a sacred journey from bitterness to boundless love, from captivity to profound inner freedom. It's a testament to the transformative power of spiritual practice. By reflecting Allah's attributes of forgiveness and mercy, we not only heal our deepest wounds, but become clearer vessels for divine light. Let us strive to release the chains of resentment and embrace the liberating power of true forgiveness, for our own sake and for the sake of our sacred connection. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence.